Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno. And in today's class, we're going to study about verbs with ing and verbs with infinitive form: to go, to study, to play. So verbs with ing and verbs with infinitive form. So we're going to start taking a look at the circumstances where we use ing. For example, in English, some verbs are followed by ing most commonly in some situations. For example, verbs of senses like liking and disliking. Most of the times, with these verbs of opinions, verbs of senses, we use them in ing. I like reading. Things we like or things we don't like, we normally add ing. I enjoy traveling. I don't mind. That's not a problem for me. I don't mind cooking. I don't like doing homework, but hopefully you do. So with these verbs, love, like, enjoy, don't mind, don't like, or hate, even though I don't like this word, but that's a different story. We don't use to and the verb. We simply use the verb with ing. Just like this examples over here. It applies to the past as well. For instance, going to school. Went, it's incorrect. When I was a child, I liked going to school. So in the present or in the past, it doesn't really matter. We used ing for present and for past. There are some spelling variations that we must consider. The general rule is simply add ing to it. So working, studying, playing, going, that's the general rule. But in some specific cases, for example, live and write, after a consonant plus E. So live, there's a consonant over here, the V and the T in right, and then the E. In these cases, we cut it off the E and we add ing. So living and writing. Another special occasion, run and swim, consonant, vowel, consonant. That's the pattern, consonant, vowel, consonant. When it happens, we double this final consonant and then we add ing. And last but not least, die, dying, lie, lying. IE. That's the pattern, IE. When it happens, we delete the IE and we add YING, just like we have on this table over here. So those are the spelling variations for ing. It applies to present continuous as well, but that's not the point of our class today. Well, with that being said, let's take a look at verbs that require to and infinitive. Most verbs, or many verbs in English, are followed by it, such as forget, hope, learn, etc., etc. I forgot to turn off the lights. I hope to see you soon. So these verbs, as I previously described, they use the infinitive and the verb. I'm learning to drive. Present continuous, to drive. We need to arrive. She offered to help, planning to go, remember to lock, and want to go. With all these verbs here, to and the verb, to see, to drive, to arrive, so on and so forth. Would like is also very common for things in the future, things we would like to do one day. And it's the same pattern. I would like to study English. That means I am not studying right now, but in the future, that's a desire I have. So I would like to study English. But if it's in the present, I like studying English as we studied before. ING, verbs of opinion, verbs of senses, verbs of likes and dislikes, ING. Because the point here is to refer to the action in progress. So I like reading books. I am talking about the action in development because that's what I like to do, to develop that action. And that's the point here with ing verbs. It applies to present, past, negative, affirmative, question form, would you like? So I hope that covers this lesson. If you have any additional questions or comments, you can simply leave it on the comment section. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and thank you.